Welcome viewer. This video tutorial describes fix Capability Access Manager issues in Windows 11 easy solutions. First method is run commands one by one. Second method is network reset. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.